Hello friends, myself Divyanshu Sharma and I am a second year student of MAT Law University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and in present I am working with Lexis and Company as a legal intern, and my today's topic is capacity of contract. Capacity of contract. In this, firstly, we will learn the legal requirement for person entering into the contract. Section 11 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 lays down the qualifications which enable the person to enter into the contract. First, a person should have to attain the age of majority as per the country of which he is a citizen. In India, the age of majority is known as 18 years by the Indian Majority Act 1875. As per the Section 3 of the Indian Majority Act 1875, an Indian citizen is said to be have attained the age of majority upon completion of 18 years of age. And however, if he is below age of 18 years and a guardian has been appointed for him, he shall attain the majority at the age of 21 years. Second, a person should be of a sound mind at the time of entering into the contract. By the as per the Section 12 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, the person while filing, we can say that a person can be said to be a sound mind when he can access, understand his action and realizes the consequences and obligations of the consequences and obligation imposed on him while entering into to a contract. And third, a person should not be a disqualified under the law to which he is subject and disqualification. And now we will learn about the disqualification for entering into a contract. As per the Indian Contract Act 1872, all persons who do not meet the criteria as per the Section 11 of the Indian Contract Act are incompetent to contract. Hence, we can reduce the following category of person do not possess the legal capacity to enter into a contract. First, the minor which is not which have not attained the age of 18 cannot enter into a contract. And this type of contract will be void ab initio, that means void from the beginning, and it can't be enforced, and it cannot be enforced. And the case law related to is Mori Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh case, which is one of the leading case. And now will we move on second point, person of unsound mind. If a person is an idiot or is suffering from a lunatic means for some time he is of a sound mind, and after some time he becomes of the unsound mind. So this in some ways this contract will become a valid, because if in case A enters into a contract with B for a sale of goods when he is of sound mind, and he later become unsound mind, so this contract will be valid. In this case, this contract will be valid. And we proceed to another point, that person disqualified by law. If any person disqualified by law or is an alien, enemy, or a convict cannot enter into a contract while he is serving his sentence. However, he regains his capacity to enter into a contract upon the completion of his sentence. In illustration, we can say that A is serving his sentence in jail. Any contract signed by him during this period is void, or he is insolvent, or foreign sovereign, or body corporate. This type of person cannot enter into a contract. And now my topic ends here, because we have covered most of the things about both most of the things we can't say, because in this there is a two things only, that's the disqualifications of entering into the contract and qualifications of the entering into the contract. Now we will move to the conclusion of the topic. So, in conclusion, competency of party to contract is one of the most important requirement of the person to make an agreement valid and enforceable a court of law, enforceable in a court of law. A contract made by a person who does not possess the mental capacity to understand the nature and the consequences of the contract, this type of contract can will be void ab initio. On the other hand, contact with lunatic people under the influence of the drug may be void depending upon the circumstances around surrounding the situation. A person regains the legal capacity to contract upon the removal of any disqualification. Companies, while entering into the contract with one another, try to safeguard their interest, representation, and indemnification are the most important, important and commonly used clause to ensure that both the parties are competent to contract. Now our topics end here. I wish you liked my video, and if you have any query related to this video, please ask me in the comment section, and I will reply it as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.